Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Speculations are not facts. Okay? I am, where I belong, and I will continue.
So there is no question of changing the party or joining any other party.
I have not been given any reason to do that. Okay? So why should I do
So
it?
it is BJP again, 2022 assembly elections.
Definitely, because I intend to keep on working for the people, especially for the people of Kortaling constituency, and more importantly, I want to ensure that all the dreams of late Matani Saldania are fulfilled. I think most of his dreams are fulfilled. Like for example, the Kortaling market was his dream. The Kansauli PHC was his dream. That planning was done by him, okay, along with the architect.
कासावली PHC चे बेगीनूच उक्तावण जाता.
A 47-bedded PHC, and there is scope for increasing, but that depends on the health department. If the need arises, I am sure they will do the needful. Very soon we are going to inaugurate it because it was taken up as COVID hospital. It has been denotified now.
कोविड वॉरियर्स खंय खरे हिरो.
Definitely our COVID warriors, for me, they are heroes because they have faced the danger of, contagion, and yet they did not think twice and went ahead and helped everybody in need. I have heard such heroic stories about the COVID warriors, how they forgot about themselves and they went ahead and, helped the people in need.
प्रुडेंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.